right, time to jump inside. What we call it ain't easy eating green, as it gets easier and easier by the week. Chef Farah Andrews is here with me this morning. She is the Nourishing chef. She's doing a double dose this morning.
Yes.
2 recipes coming to you one after the other. First one is cookies
Yes.
with green stuff in it.
Yes, but chocolate chips as well. So
They have chocolate chips in there?
yeah, don't worry about it. It'll be good. It'll be good.
I mean, that almost looked like you forced the green in that cookies.
No man, it looks festive. Come on.
Festive?
Yes, get with it. It looks festive.
Cookies are not green.
Joel,
Cookies are not green.
you always
Farah.
say things like this, and then after you eat it, I'm waiting for your response after.
So that's a chocolate chip cookie
Yes, chocolate chip cookies
with green stuff.
with kale. Yes,
With cake.
healthy green stuff.
Healthy green
Yes,
stuff.
that's
Let's
good
go.
for you.
So we are going to bake these cookies this morning.
Yes, we're gonna bake it. So what I use for these cookies is spelt flour.
What is
Right.
spelt flour again?
So spelt is like an ancient grain. It is a wheat, but it's a wheat that is easily digestible.
Right.
Even for those people who have gluten-free,
Yeah,
who are
yeah,
gluten-free,
right,
it is
yeah.
a wheat that they can eat because it's easily digestible.
Right, yeah,
It's an ancient grain that goes way back before I and you were even born. It was
Right,
used,
yeah,
right? And it's
yeah.
one of the grains that was actually unaffected by what like GMOs and crossbreeding and stuff. So it's really
Pure
good
flour.
for you.
Yeah,
It's
pure
really
flour.
is good for you, and you could use it in pastas, anything, cookies,
Okay.
breads, whatever you want. So
Yeah, yeah.
today I'm using it in the chocolate chip cookies.
Right, that's
So we
right.
just have like a cup of the spelt flour, a cup of spelt flour, about a half a teaspoon of baking powder, a
Right.
pinch of salt. That's it, and some unrefined sugar. You can use unrefined white sugar or coconut sugar as well.
Coconut sugar.
Yes, either or you want to
So
use.
don't use regular granulated sugar in this.
I mean, if you're
No.
still trying to stick with it and you make it healthier
Yeah.
option for you or your family or your kids or whatever,
Yeah,
this
yeah.
is actually a perfect option to get those veggies in for kids as well. So
Right,
it's
yeah.
good for that.
Yeah,
Or
so
for a big
you
kid
have
like you who.
A big kid like
Yeah,
me who,
who-
yeah,
yes.
yeah.
Right. So we have just those things in there. I'll be putting in, this is a third cup of chocolate chips,
Chocolate chips.
semi-sweet. I think it's like about 50% raw, right?
Right.
And about a cup of, this is more than a cup of kale, but I'll average using my hands, right?
Yeah.
So about,
Because you
about,
know, you know what a cup of kale
yes,
is.
about a cup of
Yeah.
kale, and that should be good. That's about it.
It's a lot of green in those cookies.
Yeah, just giving it a little stir around.
So tell me, I mean,
Yes.
would this be something that you would have done? I mean, putting
On a
kale
normal day?
No.
Before I started...
Putting kale in cookies?
No,
No.
before I actually started in the healthy baking and stuff,
Yeah.
I wouldn't even, I would never have, but
Yeah, yeah,
it's a
yeah.
good way, to get it going, and I
Yeah.
mean, it's really interesting, and it tastes, when you taste it, you'll
When I
see
taste
how good it actually tastes. So this mixture is actually 2 tablespoons of almond milk, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and then I put a little bit you could use vanilla flavoring, but I had some rose water, so I put the rose water for flavoring.
Rose water?
Yeah, rose water. It's like literally using the rose petals, rose water.
Right, it's okay, infused water.
Yeah, so
Roses.
they use it in baking, they use it, it's good for your face and stuff as well,
Sure.
Yep.
Okay.
So
okay.
that's
the
that.
good thing, guys, all the measurements, Farah has
Yes, the recipe
on
would be
trinitcooks.com.
uploaded.
Yeah, so
Right,
so
so
this is a
just putting it in there.
chocolate chip cookies with kale.
Chocolate chip cookies with kale. I started, just give it a little mix about with this spoon, but I would use my hands soon.
Right. Gotta get your hands in there.
Yeah.
Gotta
I
get-
have more almond milk and oil to add if it needs a little more,
Right.
because it needs to come together, right? Not
Yeah.
too soft, but it just needs to bind together, kind
Yeah.
of thing.
I can't remember since we started doing Eating Green here on a Foodie Friday if we did sweet, if we did these.
No, we didn't.
We didn't.
No, we didn't. So this is actually like the
Yeah.
perfect item to
Right.
satisfy both of our sweet tooths, but still incorporate, still be healthy, and still getting those greens.
I think the majority of stuff we've done, if
It's
not
just,
all,
no,
was
it's
savory.
just savory
Was
items.
stuff.
So that's why I
think
thought
we've
it was
done, yeah.
it's actually perfect to
Nice,
incorporate to get that in there.
Nice.
So we just want to get it together like just like a little ball. We're just gonna take it, a little ball. You wanna help me? Get your hands a little dirty. It's
I just have-
easy.
Is he flour?
Yeah, that's okay.
free flour, yeah.
We having fun in the kitchen today.
Free flour.
Just making it, just
So
a
make it a bowl.
little ball. And we're just pressing it down. Simple. Just give it a little press down. And this goes in the oven at 350 degrees.
It's a nice
And it
rustic
only
looking
takes,
cookie.
yep, it only takes 11 minutes. But at the 11 minutes, it would look undercooked. It would be really soft, but that's okay. Take it out. By the time it cools up, it would be firm.
Serious?
So
11 minutes alone?
11 minutes only, so it's really easy.
The chocolate chips would melt.
They wouldn't inside, but it would be, you know, outside would be, you still have that crusty
Crispiness,
thing, and then the
yeah.
inside would be
It'd
really
nice and
soft.
gooey. I like it that way.
Yes, right.
I like it that way.
Then you would like it.
Yeah, I like it that way.
All right, so we just
why you
gonna,
tie it up like that?
It's just presentation.
Okay, I told you
You're
the more
learning
the
how
taste.
something. So when you make them home, you could, you know.
I'll roll one more for you.
Yes, true.
Roll one more for
We
you.
have at least 2 more there.
2 more there?
Yeah. I mean, you can make them smaller if you want.
Yeah.
You can make them bigger, but you could do them a bit smaller. And if you do them a bit smaller, you'll probably get about 10 to 12.
Yeah.
It's really up to you, right?
Yeah.
And
So
yes,
far, you did not always do
no,
a healthy brand of
no,
cooking.
I was totally opposite.
What started you off on
I
this
think-
journey of healthy cooking and
I
nourishing
think it
food?
was like after my grandfather got ill.
Mm-hmm.
He was always a health person. Always everything new and healthy, and then he was trying it. But after he got ill, you know, he started to do a lot of research, and I guess that just gave me the extra, just push to Farah.
Yeah.
This is serious. The foods you put in your body, it's serious. You
Yeah.
know, it affects you. You know, so you eat to live rather than just eat to just, you know.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
it was that really, and
That
from
drove
there, yeah. And then I realized, well, you know, healthy eating isn't boring. I mean, you could enjoy the things like the chocolate chip cookies. We can enjoy it, but a healthier way.
Yeah.
So, you
Yeah,
know,
yeah.
so you're just going to push this in the oven. The oven is already preheated to 350 degrees.
Get it in there?
And yes, you can set the
Yeah.
timer for 11 minutes as well. And yes.
Yeah.
Yes, so
So, anyone?
do the honors,
Do the
untie
honors.
and have
So
a
I have to
taste.
untie it.
Waiting to. Looks like green sprinkles. Come on.
Green sprinkles.
Yes, green sprinkles. Come on.
Let's go brave, right?
Yes, go
You
brave.
want to have one with me?
Yes, sure.
Yes.
Sure. I love that. I like the look. So that means it's tasting really good. Better than you expected it to taste, with having green in it. Right? Good.
This is a good way, as you said, for
It is
children to
It is.
get their greens in.
Yeah, make
Even
it.
big kids like me who,
Yes,
yeah.
big kids like you. And the dough can be pre-made and placed in the freezer. So it's easy. Pre-made it, put it in your freezer, take it out before you want to do it. So it's easy, it's really easy. And 10 minutes.
10
minutes is
Because
nothing.
10 minutes to get it just how I like
10
it.
minutes to get it just
Nice
how
and
you like
soft,
it.
yeah. A little crispy on the outside, but nice and soft and gooey on the inside.